Welcome. In front of me is a Realme C61 and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. To get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, navigate to Storage. Oops, Storage, not battery. There we go. And in here, you will have the drop-down menu. You want to click on it and to choose your your SD card. So for some reason it's named Lumix. I think it might be oh, I know why. It's because I formatted it on the camera. That's the brand of the camera. So it's just giving the name that the actual camera decided to name it. Typically, it probably will be named something like SD card or Samsung SD card or whatever brand you might have. So whatever it says, the second option, whatever it's outside of this device, that's your SD card. Once you select that, from here you can click on the three dots and then choose Format. And then choose Format and confirm it if there's anything on the second page that will make you actually format the card or confirm that for the second time. Now I'm not going to go through this because I actually have about 33 gigs of data that I do want to keep, which are some videos. But like I said, once you go through the format process, which is just confirming it, it goes through it automatically. Once it's finished, the card is formatted and ready to be used without any kind of additional steps needed. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.